Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 2 science class. Your chapter different types of house, its text part and the sum of the part of exercise we discussed in your previous class. Hope you all read the chapter very attentively. So today we will start the rest of the part from question C. So everyone take your copy book with you and you have to write those answers in your copy book. And I already submitted as a page homework and you have to submit your answer copy there. So when you submit it, you have to take care that you write those answers in your copybook, not in the textbook. Okay, and about the syllabus of the term 2, I already told it or not. The sun on our shadow and rock and minerals, those will not be held in your exam, and the rest of the part from chapter 8 to chapter 15 will be held in your term 2 syllabus. So term 2 exam. So those two chapters, sun and our shadow, this 11th chapter and the 16th chapter, make it cross. 11th chapter and 16th chapter will not be held in your term 2 exam. Okay, and the from 8th chapter to 15th will be held in your term 2 exam. Okay, hope you all seeing the video and make it cross those two chapters 11th and 16th, and rest of the chapters from 8 to 15th you have to read very attentively. Okay, now take your copybook and write those answers there. So let's start with question C. Answer the following questions. So first question is, why do we need a house? Why do we need a house? These things you already learned, that why we need house. We need house to live in. We need house to live in, because it protect us from bad weather, wild animals and thieves. So that's why we need house to protect ourselves. We need house to live in, and we need house also to protect ourselves, because it protect us from bad weather, thieves, wild animals. Okay, so that's why we need house. Hope you can see the board. And now go to the next question number 2. What are stilt houses? These things we discussed on your previous online class about the stilt house. There are some house which is the based on the wooden post. Those are the stilt house. So some house made on wooden post, base, some house made on wooden post, and those houses are called stilt house. You can see such houses is quite high from the ground. They are quite high from ground. Those are called stilt house. Those are called stilt house. Okay, so here is your answer of stilt house. You can check it here from the board. Okay, everyone. So this is your answer of stilt house. Some houses made on wooden posts that are quite high from the ground are called the stilt house. Next, go to the question number 3. What is a permanent house? Now I am erasing the question number 1 and go to the question number 3. What is a permanent house? This you know that some houses are fixed at one place are called permanent house. Some houses are fixed at one place are called permanent house. So those houses cannot move from one place to another place. Those are fixed at one place. Those are called the permanent house. Those are called the permanent house. Okay. Next, name any two types of permanent house. So I am erasing the question number 2 here. And tell me the two examples, two types of permanent house. That thing you already learned, right? The bungalow and multi-story building. Multi-story building. And there are also the pakka house and flats also. Flats which we can see in the multi-story building. You can write here bungalow and flats also, or bungalow and multi-story building. Okay. So here we completed the question C. Now go to the question D. Think and answer. So here you have to read the question at first, then think about it, then give the answer. So, let's read the question. How can we make our house a good house? Suggest 2 ways. So, there are a lot of ways how can we make our house a good house. But you have to write and you have to think any 2 ways. Okay, you have to write also any 2 ways that how can we make our house a good house. So, I am now erasing the question number C. So here is your question D, that suggest 2 ways. So first ways is keep our house clean. Keep our house clean. So if we keep our house and their furnitures and inside of our house every room will be clean, so that will be a good house, right? So there will be no germs, no bacteria there, so that will be good house. That's the one way to keep our house, to make our house a good house. And the second way, which I think, that we have to grow more green plants. Grow more green plants. So if we grow more green plants outside of our house or inside of our house, that our nature will be clean also, and we can take the fresh air, so that our house also have the fresh air around the house. So we can take the breath those fresh air, we can breathe the fresh air when we in the home or outside of the home. That will be make our house a good house. So here I am writing only two ways. You can check from the board. Okay. Next is question number E. Check here, some pictures already given here, and you have to write name of those pictures under it, under these blanks. So first picture, which we all know, that's a stilt house. S-T-I-L-T, stilt house. Because this picture is showing those house is on based on wooden post, and we all know that's about stilt house. Next is looking like a van, and you know that's a wheel caravan, right? Wheel caravan. That's the second picture. And next, that's too easy, the last picture. That is a pakka house, nothing at all. Okay, so you know this very. Pakka house. So here we completed question D and question E. You can check the board. That question D, think and answer the two ways. Keep our house clean, grow more green plants, these two ways. And the next is identify the following pictures, and we all identified it, right? That first picture is the stilt house, second one is the wheel caravan, and the last one is the pakka house. Okay, and the last one is the question F, tick the correct answer. So first of all, that's a valuable corner questions. You have to read the statement very attentively, then choose the correct option. So first read it. Aarti lives in a kacha house. Due to heavy rain, her house is damaged. Due to heavy rain, the kacha house will be damaged because it's made up of mud, clay, bamboo and straw. So that's why it most probably those kacha house will be damaged by the storm and the huge rain and the flood also. So those house can be damaged. Her friend Priyanka requests her mother to give a tent to Aarti for few days, as the Aarti has no house to live in. So that's why Priyanka, her friend, requests to her mother that to give a tent for some days to live in, because Aarti has no house nowadays. So which value is shown by Priyanka? So Priyanka is it good, is it care, is it selfishness, or is it teamwork? So let me know what will be the answer. Now I am erasing this and you choose the correct answer. As I think the correct answer will be kind. Option A, because Priyanka is very kind to her friend and the others also. So that's why when she saw that her friend Aarti's home will already damaged by the heavy rain, so she requested her mother to give her a tent to live for few days. That's shown that Priyanka is so kind. Okay, so that's kind is the correct answer. So today we completed the rest of the part of the exercise of different types of house. That's page number 54, and here we completed these chapters also by exercise. And the next class we will proceed for your next chapter, safety habits and first aids. So till then you have to read the previous chapter very attentively, different types of house, and you have to remember that there are some kinds of house. We can see the permanent, temporary, special house also, and which things it made of, you have to remember it also. Okay, those materials and where it's located, and other extra things which we learned already from those house. So you have to, that's why you have to read the chapter very attentively, and you have to remember it also, and practice this exercise part again. And when you submit your answer as a homework, then please when you submit it, then please write on copybook. Okay everyone, so have a nice day and bye.